Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter of EVS 2. That is chapter number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. The name of lesson is the fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now which fort is captured? Kondana. And but the lion is dead. Now who is the lion? The lion is Tanaji Malusre. In this lesson we are going to see that Tanaji Malusre, he captured the Kondana fort but he died. He has given his life for the work of Swarajya. About that information we are going to see in this chapter. From this topic, first point we are going to see that is the Jijamata's wish. What is Jijamata's wish that we are going to see now? The 23 forts which Shivaji handed over the Jai Singh were still in the hands of Mughals. We have seen in the 12th lesson that according to the Treaty of Purandar, Shivaji Maharaj had handed 23 forts in the hand of Mughals, and from that 23 fort, Kondana was one of the fort which was in the hand of Mughals. One day Jijamata said to Shivaji, Shivba, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondana fort in the enemy's hand. You must recapture it. Recapture means to capture again. Already Shivaji Maharaj has captured Kondana fort from the enemies, but according to Treaty of Purandar, he has handed this fort to the Mughals, and again now he is going to recapture it from the Mughals. So it is said recapture means to capture again. Shivaji also was thinking on the same line, means Kondana fort, it should be not in enemy hand because it is not safe to leave this strong Kondana fort in the enemy hand. This Shivaji also was thinking. He was unhappy that Kondana was in the Mughals' hand. Both Shivaji and Jizabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their side. Thorn means what here? In Marathi we say kata, pointed stick, small we say. Now here, keeping the Kondana in the hand of Mughals, it was like a thorn in their side because it was one strong fort. From that we can keep watch on enemy. Like this fort was there. It was keeping in the hand of that Mughals, means it was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started making his plan for recapture the Kondana. Who could be interested with this task? Interested means assign the responsibility for doing something. For whom we can give this work to recapture this Kondana? Shivaji was thinking about this. It was very difficult to capture the Kondana fort because it was in the hand of Mughals. Next point we are going to see that is Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade, means friend right from the beginning. Means from childhood only Shivaji and Tanaji was friend. He came from the village Umarte near Mahad in the Konkan. Means Tanaji was from which place? Umarte. He was belonged to which village? Umarte. He was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned to him by Shivaji. To put heart and soul into means to make a lot of effort to do something. Means here Tanaji was ready to do whatever work assigned to him by Shivaji. Tanaji was strong and well built. Now well built means what? Strong body he was having. And as clever as he was brave. Means Tanaji was strong, his body was well built, he was a clever and brave also. He was fascinately devoted to Shivaji. Fascinately means in the way that shows strong feelings or belief, and devoted means loyal. Means here whatever Shivaji give work, loyally he is ready to do that work. The next point we will see that is Kondana's marriage first. Actually Kondana's marriage first means what? Tanaji is going to capture first Kondana fort. There was the marriage of Tanaji's son Raiba, but Tanaji told first I will perform the marriage of Kondana, and after he look after the marriage of his son. So here it is told Kondana's marriage first, means he performed first marriage of Kondana, means first he captured the Kondana fort. Tanaji was busy making preparation for his son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the marriage preparation. As you know, in our house how marriage is there. We are busy in preparation, of the marriage. In that way, in Tanaji's house there was a preparation of marriage. The marriage was only 4 days away, means only 4 days was remain for marriage. Tanaji thought that he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. Accompanied by Shelar Mama, he went to Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. Means for the to give invitation of the Raiba's wedding, Shelar Mama and Tanaji, they went to the Shivaji Maharaj to give them invitation. On the receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama, Shivaji said, Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. Here campaign means what? A plan to do a number of things in order to achieve a special goal. Now your special goal is what? To recapture the Kondana fort. And when Shelar Mama and Tanaji, they came to invite Shivaji Maharaj for the wedding, that time he told what? I am sorry, I am unable to attend this wedding because I have to recapture the Kondana fort. This campaign I have to lead to recapture the Kondana fort. So I am not going to come. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Is Tanaji still alive? And why you are doing this or going for this difficult and dangerous task? Then what is the use of person like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. What Tanaji is telling that I'll first perform the marriage of Kondana. Means first I'll capture the Kondana fort and afterwards I'll look after the Raiba's wedding because Raiba's wedding can wait. But I have to recapture the Kondana fort. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessing for its success. Means this discussion is going on. Tanaji and Shivaji Maharaj, between them discussion is going on. Tanaji is telling what? You allow me to lead this campaign and give me blessing for its success. Next point we are going to see, that is Tanaji's plan. What he has done plan to capture the Kondana fort, that we are going to see in this point. With this word, Tanaji took charge of the campaign and left for Kondana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Uday Bhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Now this Kondana fort, it was in whose hand? In the Mughal. But whose control was on that fort now? Or in charge of that fort? Who was there? Uday Bhan. And Uday Bhan was Rajput officer and he was appointed by Jai Singh. Uday Bhan was disciplined and vigilant officer. Vigilant means watchful. Means he was keeping watch on the fort and he was disciplined. Means he followed the discipline. There were two entrances on the fort. These two entrances were heavily guarded by Uday Bhan's men. Means Uday Bhan's men were appointed on these entrances. How then to mount an assault? Now assault means what? Attack. And mount means organize, means how to attack on the Uday Bhan. This was now question. Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. Inspection means what? Careful examination. Now here Tanaji, he has done detailed inspection of this fort. On the western side, there was a steep precipice where there was no guard. Now precipice means what? See, precipice means a very steep side of the high mountain or fort. In Marathi we say unch kada, that is called precipice. Tanaji decided to attack from that side, means from western side where steep precipice is there. Steep means sharp. The precipice is there. From that he decided to attack. He explained his plan to his younger brother. Now here small brother of Tanaji was there. His name is Suryaji. To Suryaji he explained all the plan. He said to his brother what? See, you take a detachment, his group of 500 troops and try to reach the Kalyan Gate. Now Kalyan Gate was on the Kondana fort. And Tanaji told to Suryaji what? You take some group of 500 people or soldiers and you reach to the Kalyan Gate. With another 300 soldiers, he will scale the precipice and get into the fort. Now scale means climb. As soon as we are there, we shall throw open the door of Kalyan Gate. Means when Tanaji and his men will climb through the steep precipice, that time they will open the Kalyan Gate. And then he told his brother to step and join us. Means when Tanaji will open the Kalyan Gate, that time Suryaji will join him. And they together will destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort. Means they will defend, they will protect the fort and they will destroy the Mughals. With the plan thus finalized, Suryaji and Tanaji went their different way. In this way, Tanaji has planned to how to recapture the Kondana fort, and Suryaji and Tanaji they decide to go to their different ways. Remaining part we'll see in next video. Today's homework, how much part today I have taught, that much you have to read. Thank you.